Good morning, Richard. This is Jackie. I probably mentioned once that I really like to make videos to show people things. I'll send you a link as well because in your email request for that purchase, item to purchase, which we will definitely purchase, you made a comment about not being able to find our purchase request form. So we do have one, but it is a little buried. As you scroll down from the library homepage, it's down here under services, under suggest purchases. So you would just click there and put in this information. But you know what? You can email me anytime. Just copy the link and send it, and we're good to go. But this is here if anybody happens to ask you. We have it. I'm probably going to update our library page again soon. So one thing that you and I had spoken about before, you might not remember, is we have was LibGuides, and so I mentioned that's an actual software. I went ahead and bought the actual software. It's just going to, I think, really make a lot of the work that we do here in the library a little more consistent and streamlined for students. It'll be this consistent product that they can look at and find and explore. So anyway, stay tuned, but I wanted to show you this. Hope you're doing well. Bye.